So guys, I don't know if this is a good news or the opposite, but my first hearing has just been postponed. Is it postponed or adjourned? The legal terms for it is adjourned, and the layman's word is postponed. So did the hearing happen? No. So it was postponed before it was adjourned. So apparently, okay, let me just give a brief background or summary. So if I just seen this fine girl for the first time, I am actually an international student who actually sued a medical school to court for breach of contract, from which other cause of actions actually arose. So if I just if you want the background story of what happened and all of that, I have a playlist attached to the 3 million USD litigation. You can go through the playlist, the story time, and everything is still. But wait, before I continue, people know that in this video, I like my hearing to be showing. I cannot make such effort of doing color, and the hearing color is hiding. Could make sense. Sorry for the distraction. So, and the court, this thing has been ongoing, applying for default judgment and all of that. Make sure you go through the playlist. You'll see the step-by-step video, everything. So I'm just here sharing my experience with you in case there's any international students that actually find themselves in this situation. So you guys know the last video I posted was 4 days to my hearing, and subsequently I told you guys that these people appeared from nowhere. They filed an appearance, and not just that, they actually filed for a summon for my motion for my statement of claim to be dismissed. If you've not seen the video, check the playlist as well, right? You understand. So apparently, I think because of that, the case has been adjourned. Should I say adjourned? Because we did not actually go for the hearing. The hearing will not be taking place again. So I'm just getting it. So apparently, if you sue somebody, the person that is responding, the defendant, has two options. Is either they reply to you and to appear, to come and defend the case, right? Or they appear and they dismiss. Because depending on the jurisdiction that you are, the jurisdiction I am is mandatory that even if you want to dismiss the case, you have to reply first. Then after replying, then subsequently you can now file dismissal. So they did both. And because they are saying the court should throw out my case, so meaning I don't have this thing, right? The motion to dismiss that they talk about, they filed. I've told you guys the content in my previous video. Go through my playlist. So I feel like it's because of that the court adjourned it. But when I asked the court martial, she was like, the judge has a conference. Maybe they have a judge conference or something like that. So I was like, is it because of the judge conference or because the defendant filed motion to dismiss? She was like, it's both. So me, I don't know. For now, I don't really understand the court processing this thing, but that was what they told me, that it has been adjourned. So when I got the news, I'll not lie, I was so really sad because I was looking forward to the first hearing, all those things that, right? But unfortunately, it's not taking place. And another good side of it, at least I have another, and the thing is, it was adjourned for 1 month in advance till next month. So so at least with that, I'll be able to study more about law, read more, practice, and all of that. But I still feel I'm not happy regardless. So this is me sharing my experience with you guys. If you find yourself in this in this situation, don't eat yourself up. I think it's better this way, right? Yeah. So if you find yourself in that shoe, don't eat yourself up. Adjournment is, but where I am, it's not like every time they used to do adjournment. So just like the marshal said, that the judge probably has a conference or something like that, or probably because these people filed. And you know that the judge has already given me a date, right? You can watch my previous video before they now filed. So it was getting close to the hearing date. So maybe the judge felt like, since you people they are just filing motion, maybe it's to give me time to prepare all this. And for now, I don't understand the distance, but I just came to tell people that it has been adjourned. So regardless, we still be preparing and this. So don't just fall for this thing you're looking at. When it was Adjourned, my face was not like this. Like I was really like I was down. But it was when I tried to like encourage myself, I came to shoot this video. So in case you are going through it, don't come and feel like, oh, when they adjourn you look, no, you not look normal. There is this kind of sad, like you feel so sad, very very sad. But in everything, I still have to motivate myself. You understand? Anyways, that brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.